Hi, I'm Nachiketh. If you're looking for another beginner AI course, this is probably not for you. This program is built for a different kind of learner. It is built for engineers and technical professionals who know the basics, who have seen the tools, who have tried tutorials, who have tried courses, YouTube, maybe even build some small experiment, but still feel that one important gap. I understand the pieces of AI system, but I still do not feel fully confident in building and explaining a real production grade system. Now, that is the gap that this program is built to solve. Most of the best fit learners for this program come from backgrounds like software engineering, backend, DevOps, platform, data engineering, machine learning, AI, technical lead, and architecture. And many of them already have real engineering maturity. They are comfortable with coding with Python programming language. They do not need hand holding. They do not want surface level explanation. What they want is structure. They want to understand how real AI and Gen AI systems are actually designed, deployed, scaled, and more importantly, explained in production environment. The problem for most serious learners today is not the lack of information. There's already too much information out there. The real problem over here is fragmentation. You may know the terms like RAG, agents, vector databases, APIs. You are familiar with cloud services, deployment tools, evaluation, guardrails. But when it comes to questions like how does a full system fit together? Why was this architecture chosen? What breaks in production? What trade off was actually accepted when choosing this path? How does this scale? Now, how do I explain this clearly in an interview or in a technical discussion? So, that is where many people still feel weak. And that weakness is expensive because it keeps you stuck between learning and real capability. Now, this program is designed to help you move from fragmented knowledge to production grade clarity, not just learning the individual components, not just maybe following few notebooks. It's not about just building something that works maybe once, but more importantly, this program focuses on understanding how systems behave end to end, how architectural decisions are made, how deployment and production constraints would change the design itself, and how failure modes show up in real environment, and how to explain your system like someone who can actually own it. So the shift here is very clear. You move from knowing the tools to reasoning about the systems itself. That is, from building the isolated pieces to understand the architecture as a whole, from demo level confidence to production level thinking. And more importantly, from sounding like someone who followed the tutorials to sounding like someone who can explain and defend the real engineering decision. Now, that is the transformation that we are looking for through this program. Most learning paths in this space either stay too shallow, too scattered, or too beginner focused. And that's not what we are doing here. This program is intentionally designed for serious builders, people who are ready to stop collecting the content and ready to build the actual capability. People who want stronger system design thinking, people who want enterprise level reasoning. It is for people who want to understand what breaks, what matters, and how decisions are made under the real constraint. Now, let me also be direct. This program is not for everyone. If you're looking for shortcut, maybe guaranteed outcome, spoon feeding or very beginner level coverage, this is probably not the right fit for you. If you're not comfortable with coding yet, I would say it's probably too early. If you want entertainment more than execution, this is not the place for you. But if you're serious, technical, and ready to do the work, then this can become a very strong path for you. Because inside the program, the focus is on helping you to build and explain the real AI system with more maturity. Now, that includes stronger thinking around rack system, agentic workflow, architectural decisions, trade off, failure mode, deployment realism, production constraint, and more importantly, the technical articulation. So, this is not just something about learning what is possible, but it is about learning how to think like someone who can actually ship and defend the system. Because a lot of senior engineers reach a point where they realize that I cannot keep jumping from topic to topic anymore. I need a structured path. Now, if that is where you are right now, then you are exactly the kind of learner that this program was designed for. We do not optimize for maximum volume. We optimize for the learners who are most likely to build, execute, and grow into serious AI systems professional. Now, if that sounds like you, go through the details on this page. And if you're ready, join us. I look forward to seeing you on our class one.